Hi guys, my name is Antonio. So in this video, we will be teaching you one of the steps on how to use our new drawing feature. So for this video, we will start with Sketch. Let's go to the tutorial.
After exploring the tools, let's take a look at the steps in the new drawing: sketch, cutout, material, and price, and understand the importance and purpose of each one. Step 1 is sketch, where you start designing your projects, such as countertops, islands, or balconies. Here, you can use all the tools available in the menu. For example, you can change the angle of your shape, insert rulers, and add seams whenever you need. You can also insert text and remove it. Add borders, for example, a full radius out. Or add corners like a radius to your shape. It's also the place to set up your edges and profiles. For example, I'm adding a waterfall to my L-shaped countertop. You'll also be able to bring in products and services straight from your inventory or customize your own when needed. I'll add a few products and some of the services I've already registered in the system. If you haven't seen how to register products and services yet, check out the tutorial linked in the card above. On the right, you'll find your most used items, the ones you work with most often, ready for quick access. You can also choose which area of your project these products and services belong to. Areas are created during the drawing process, right here on the utility bar, and I'll explain them in detail in the drawing area parts tutorial. So I'll add 2 areas to this project to show how each one works through the different steps. I'll select the bathroom area. You can delete a product or service by clicking the trash icon and add new ones specific to this area. Each area can have its own set of products and services. So if you'd like to learn how to use the tools from the new drawing, we've got videos covering each one of them right here on our channel. See you in the next tutorial.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.